Hi, hello and welcome back. Dindigul Biryani. This is one of the South Indian style of biryanis where it's originated from a place called Dindigul in Tamil Nadu. Today we're gonna cook a Dindigul biryani using beef. Now whenever you're preparing a biryani using beef, the most important thing is the choice of meat that you prefer for a biryani. Usually you prefer a soft and tender meat, so the choice of meat that you would prefer should be from tenderloin or the one from the undercut. Before we could get to know the ingredients for this biryani, please do not skip the video. You may miss out something important in between. We have taken 1 kilogram of jeera rice, and we are not going to soak this rice because this rice would cook faster than other rices. So we're just going to wash it and keep it aside. I have taken 1.5 kilograms of beef with bone, medium chunk. For this biryani, we need to prepare 1 powder and 3 different pastes. I'm going to tell you what are the ingredients that we are going to use for these pastes and for the powder. Now for the powder, 1 medium-sized cinnamon, 6 to 7 cloves, nutmeg, quarter, mace, small piece. This is known as Marathi mogu, or it is also known as kapok buds, star anise, 1. Okay, this is known as black stone flower, or it's known as kalpasi, green cardamom. I've taken up to 6 to 7 numbers. Pepper 1 teaspoon, jeera or cumin 1 teaspoon, fennel seeds 1 teaspoon. So we're gonna roast these ingredients and then we're gonna grind it into a powder. I've taken a small pan to roast the ingredients. Now while roasting the ingredients, make sure that you roast the ingredients separately. These ingredients would require different temperature levels to cook or get roasted. First I'm gonna roast the pepper. Okay, roast the pepper till it gets glossy like this. Next goes the cumin seed. Once it stops popping, take it out. Then goes the fennel. Now the cinnamon. I'm breaking into pieces. The star anise, the Marathi mogu or kopak bud. Just fry it up till you get the smell of the cinnamon, then take it out. Now goes the cardamom, the nutmeg and the mace, cloves, the black stone flour. You just need to roast these till you get the smell of these ingredients. Now for the first paste, I have taken 300 grams of shallots cleaned, 1 green chili, handful of mint and handful of coriander. We're gonna grind these 4 ingredients into a fine paste. The next paste is a ginger garlic paste. I'm using 100 grams of ginger and 100 grams of garlic. I've taken 300 grams of tomatoes. This is going to be our third paste. 200 ml of curd, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and salt to taste. Now let's start cooking the biryani. I've taken a container where I could cook 2 to 2.5 kilograms of biryani, and I'm going to use 250 ml of oil. Once the oil heats up, we're going to add the onion paste that we prepared. Now fry this paste till it turns brown like this. Then we add the ginger garlic paste. Now the ginger garlic paste is cooked. Now we lower the flame. Chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon and the salt for taste. Once this is mixed well, we actually add the curd. Now we can put the flame on high. Once the curd is blended well with the masala, we'll add the tomato. Now that the tomato is cooked, we will add the powder that we prepared. So the entire lot has to go in. Now the powder is blended nicely, so we're going to add the meat at this point of time. The meat is nicely blended with the masala. Now, we will add water to the biryani. Now while adding water to the biryani, it has to be measured using the same bowl that we measured the rice. Now for the jeera sambar rice, the measure is going to be, for one portion of rice we use 1.5 portion of water. So I am using 1 bowl of rice, so the water that I'm going to use is going to be 1.5 portion of water using the same bowl. Half a bowl of water for the meat to cook. At this point we'll taste the salt. It needs some salt. Add some salt. Now that it's come to a boil, at this point of time we will close it with a tight lid and reduce the flame to slim, and we're gonna cook it for 40 to 45 minutes in slim, because it's beef, it's gonna take some time to cook. The meat has been cooking for almost 45 minutes, so I'm gonna open up the lid to see if it is cooked. Beef actually takes a lot of time to cook, so advisable is you can pressure cook it for at least 10 to 15 whistles before adding it to the masala. Yes, it's cooked. At this point I'm adding up 1 bowl of hot water. Let's taste the salt after adding the water. The salt is good. There's enough salt now for the rice and the meat. Now it's come to a boil. Now at this point of time we'll add the rice. We'll close the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. And we'll keep something heavy on the lid. Allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes in low flame. It's been cooking in low flame for 20 minutes. Now we'll open up the lid. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.